Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add doors in Revit step by step. Doors are an essential part of every building model, and Revit makes it easy to place, modify, and manage them within your project. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and switch to the floor plan where you've already created your walls. Since doors must be hosted by walls, make sure the wall where you want to place the door already exists before continuing. Next, go to the Architecture tab on the ribbon and click the Door tool. In the Properties panel, choose the door type you want to use. If you need a different style or size, click Load Family to import additional door families into your project. Now move your cursor over the wall where you want to place the door. Revit will automatically preview the door and align it with the wall. Click once to place the door, then use the temporary dimensions or the Modify tools to adjust its position if necessary. If the door swings in the wrong direction, select it and use the flip controls to change the swing direction or the side it opens from. You can also update the door's width, height, and other properties using the Properties panel. After placing the door, switch to a three-dimensional view or an elevation view to confirm that it has been installed correctly. Save your project regularly to preserve your changes as you continue building your model. And that's it. You now know how to add doors in Revit and customize them to match your building design. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next